Messenger could not send the message problem. How to fix? Hello guys, welcome back to new video. In this video I will tell you how you can fix this type of issue whenever you are trying to send message in the messenger that is showing messenger could not send the message. Maybe you are trying to send photos, guys, not only photos, videos, maybe you are trying to send text message, still this type of issue showing. Don't worry at all guys, I will tell you how you can fix with the few simple steps, right? Alright guys, so now you have to see my screen recording whatever I am showing to you in that video. Okay, let's get started without any further delay, but please you have to subscribe our channel. If you are watching my videos at first time, hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload any useful video for you, you have to immediately get my notifications of video. Let's get. Okay, first of all you have to go to the Play Store application simply and type on the search bar, type here messenger. Okay, you have to type messenger app. Keep up to date your messenger if you have any update available. Second, go to the messenger application, find out that application in your phone. Okay, so let me find out that application, that is messenger. Alright guys, press and hold down this messenger application. Even you can directly go to the settings, press and hold down like this, go to the app info, go to the storage uses, click on the clear data and cache. Okay, this is the second one, go back. And now guys, next you have to follow, simply go to the settings application to your mobile phone, open it, click on the search bar and type here apps. Okay, when you will type here apps, click on the app storage, again tap on the apps. Now guys, you have to find out the messenger application from here. Okay, so this is my messenger application, open it. Now click on this clear data, now go back. Next, again go to the settings application, click on the search bar, type here reset. Don't worry guys, I am not going to reset your phone, you have to simply reset network setting. Yes guys, I will show you. Simply you have to click on the reset, type here reset, then tap on the reset network settings. Maybe sometime our internet connection not so good, so simply you have to reset your connectivity so that your connection will be good and internet speed will be fast. Okay, simply tap on this reset network settings. After that, these all apply methods. Now next you have to simply restart your phone. Yes guys, you have to restart your phone, just simply tap on this restart. Maybe guys, right now messenger application server has been down, so you have to wait. Okay, because it will automatically fix. So but still you have to apply these all steps whatever I have told you in this video. Your problem will be almost fixed after applying these methods. See you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching guys.